Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Abayemoko and I'll be taking you into an introduction to AutoCAD. AutoCAD is one of the software we discussed earlier. So now we are diving into it fully. Now, follow me. AutoCAD is a computer-aided drafting software program used to create blueprints for building, bridges, and computer chips, among other things it can do. It can also be used for machine, not just buildings alone. This tutorial will help you to understand AutoCAD interface. Today, we are dealing with only the interface, step by step. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. So let's take the first bold step. Why drafters works in a number of specialties. The 5 most common specialization areas are as follows: mechanical, architectural, civil, electrical, and electronics. As a designer, no matter what you're designing, you will always fall under these 5 categories as a CAD and CAM designer. The mechanical drafter are the ones that prepares plans for machinery and mechanical device. The architectural drafters draw up plans for residential and commercial buildings. You know who an architect is already. A civil drafter draw up plans for use in the design and building of roadways, bridges, sewer system, and other major projects. The electrical drafters works with electricians to prepare diagram of wiring electrical systems layout. Then the last but not the least, the electronics drafters also prepare wiring diagram for use in the making and installation of repairing of electronics gadgets. Now, here is the first user interface you encounter in an AutoCAD. After installing your software, the first thing you'll be seeing up is your tab and your panel. Your panel contains the basic shapes. You have your lines, you have your polyline, the circle, the arc, the square, the sphere. Then moving to the right hand side, you have your move, copy, sketch, rotate. Introduction to AutoCAD user interface. As you install this software called AutoCAD, the first thing you'll be coming up to see will be this tab. You'll be having your tab and your panels and a very elaborate blank space. Now for your tab, you'll be having your home, your insert, your annotate, your parametric, your view, manage, output, and adds in. Under your home button, you'll be seeing your line, polyline, circles, arc, square, sphere, and your arch box. Now, coming on forward, you'll be seeing your file tab, application button, quick access tools, your ribbon area, your info bar, your view cube, your navigation bar, selection cursor, your user coordinate system, layout tabs, your command line parent at the bottom line, and your status bar toggles at the left bottom or the right hand bottom. Now, all these are what you'll be using for the basics of your AutoCAD. In the next class when we meet, I'll be taking you through the concept of the shapes you can use in AutoCAD. Every drawing falls down to shapes.